Hi, another Monday, heading on to the end of November, and as I would say, the beginning of my new year, which is after December the 1st. But anyway, this week I was listening to one of my favorite songs. I know you guys might have heard of the group ABBA, and ABBA is famous for some of their other songs, like Dancing Queen and so forth, but my favorite one is Fernando. And after listening to that song for, who knows, 10,000 times, suddenly the words strike a chord. It made me start thinking, what are you willing to fight for? So in this week's video, we will be looking at that. So let's go. My name is Paula Simon, a believer who 25 plus years ago made a decision, changed my life, strengthened my faith, which led to a closer walk with God. On this channel, I encourage women to be more proactive in their lives and embrace changes one step at a time. If you are new to this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber or visitor, welcome also. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification button so YouTube will let you know when a new video is uploaded, and share the video. It would be highly appreciated. Okay guys, what are you willing to fight for? The premise of this song is apparently about two friends reminiscing about a war. It sounds like a Mexican war because they're speaking about crossing the Rio Grande. The main speaker, which is the singer, is talking about how they were scared, how they were young. And apparently they lose the battle because they said, although we weren't prepared to lose, there's no regret. And it's very interesting. They said, if I have to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. Also talk about the knowing that they were scared. They know Fernando was proud for fighting for freedom in the land. And if you know the chorus, they go on to say how they were so happy doing what it is. And even mentioned that the stars, Mother Nature, came out. They were shining there for you and me and for liberty. And I sing the song as usual, off key, don't care, enjoying it. And as it finished play, I start thinking, what are you willing to fight for? I'm going to share what I'm willing to fight for. There's no negotiation about it. I believe in God. I believe in the Bible. Some of the things in the Bible, I will look and say, I know it's hard for me to even adhere to, although I love God and I want to walk in His way. Like forgiving quickly and loving everybody. No, I know it's a struggle. I know it's what God requires of us to do. I know He talks about loving everyone. There have certain things I just can't understand. But I know in my heart of heart, He do not love that other person any less than He loves me. Because the beauty about it is that God knows everything. He knows each one of us hearts. He knows not only our words, He knows our intention behind the word. So because of that, He has the knowledge I don't. But He just say, love your neighbor as much as you love Him. And He said that is most important. So all the other sins that He talk about and commandments He gave not to covet and to thief and everything else, He said the most important one is to love. Since I cannot follow it all the time, I then have a problem in trying to talk about the other sins. Talk about who fornicating or who's a thief, have different lifestyles, all the sort of stuff. Because then I feel like a hypocrite. Because He tell me to love. I'm doing what He tell me to do. But also He said something, do not judge. Judgment only belongs to Him. And why He said it belongs to Him? Because He knows our heart. So here am I on this end judging you because I think you're doing something wrong. But God knows your heart. He knows the level of your knowledge. He knows the level of your ignorance. He knows your intention. He knows whether you're in the darkness or whether you're seeing the light. He knows all of that. So because He has that knowledge, He gave us strict instruction that judgment belongs to Him. He said, love, leave the judgment to me. I believe in God. I don't get into heavy Bible discussion and if they did mean this or mean that. I don't know everything. But one thing I know for certain, whatever I need to know today or learn today, my Father is going to reveal it to me. He's going to give me clarity about something that I might have read before, or he's going to find the right way to get that information to me. So because of that, I'm okay not knowing everything. I believe in tithing. I tithe with my time and my resources, because I know for a fact whatever I get now is he providing it. And he always has done in the past. And he's doing it now and he'll do it in the future. Next thing I'm willing to fight for is my daughter and my granddaughter. Okay, guys, someone might, as we would say, get away with saying certain things about me, or I might be okay with it. I might ignore it. But my ears get very much alert. And chances are I would respond to you if you say anything about Kenya or you say anything about Robin. Because they are my babies. And I honestly believe I'm the only one, other than God, that have the authority to say anything about them. Whether I'm happy about them, whether I'm sad about them. If you want to say something happy about them, good. If you say something mean about them, chances are I'm going to get to you. I'm going to find a way to say something back to you. I'm not going to let it rest. The third thing I'll fight for is my right to have my curry powder from Guyana. I know my friends have this problem, and even Kenya would say to me, "Oh, mommy, it's curry powder." Hear how I believe about my curry. Even if it's Indie Madras curry powder made in Guyana and being sold on Linden Boulevard in Queens, I want my curry powder from Bihari, from Georgetown, Guyana. So I only get curry powder when I go home. All right, I might come at your home, or I might go to a restaurant and they will use their own curry powder. I will eat it there. But you know what? In my home, in my pot, the only curry that is cooking is from Georgetown, Guyana. I don't want to hear anyone's opinion about which curry powder is better and this one is just as good. It means it to me. There's the only place, and I'm telling you this, if I travel around the world or I go and live anywhere else, I will be cooking curry, and take it from me. In my suitcase will have my curry powder, which came from this I believe in, and that is what I'm willing to fight for. I don't care who say what. The fourth someone might find frivolous, but you know what? I am fighting for the right that at my repast, the soundtrack from Saturday Night Fever would be played. A strict instructions. I don't know when you die if you're able to come back and say things or pull somebody's toe or give them a punch. I don't know. But I'm hoping and praying I might have the ability to. That if at my repast, Miss Simon decides not to play Saturday Night Fever, I will find a way in which to get even with her. Furthermore, my plan is I will have my repast before I pass away. So I will have it exactly the way I want it, with my Night Fever music playing, period. That is what I'm willing to fight for. Okay. I just share part of the list, because the list is endless. I share my belief in God. I share my protection and love for my two babies, the big ones and the little one. I share my strong feelings about my curry powder. It is not up for discussion. So I share what I'm willing to fight for, or something I'm willing to negotiate. What are you willing to fight for? Just let me know in the comment section. And don't forget, we are on this exciting last few weeks towards the end of the year. For some of you guys, it is December 31st. So you still have a few more weeks, about 6 weeks. For me, it is November the 30th. That's when my year ends, because in Polar World, December 1st is the beginning of my year. So guys, we still have a few more weeks. I know you guys have plans. I got a whole lot. Plate is this high. Just praying that I'm able to accomplish, even if it's 3 items off of that list, and I will be great. So have a great week, and I pray that God will help you along on your journey. Don't forget to share. So see you next Monday. Bye.